one of the problems you might be facing right now in your garden is Japanese beetles eating your plants. Well, Rescue has a product that can help fix that problem. It is a non-toxic mode of attraction. It is a reusable bag, which means if the season's bad and the bag fills up, you just open the bottom up, pour them out in a trash can, and keep going. They are a sponsor, the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show season 5, and what many people may not know that they're doing wrong in an application such as this, they have a problem around a cherry tree or cherry bush. So they put the attraction right there because that's where the bugs are at. That's where the beetles are at. So what is occurring is the trap that you attach to this, all the beetles are coming to that particular location. What you want to do, as we are here, is putting it about 30 to 60 feet away from potential or problem areas. That way, things will be attracted away from the plants and go into the bag. So here's what we've got. You open it up, pop it open like this, and here is the attractants here. You're going to set that on top here. Oh, here we go. And then you're going to run a string or a zip tie or a twist tie through the hole here. So before we hang it up, we need to pop these panels up, the side panels, to prevent the beetles from getting out of the trap. And you'll hear a click, and that is what keeps them from coming out. Right here you see it without it, here you see it with it. All four sides get put together so that it will keep the beetles from getting out of the trap. There we go, just like that. All four sides are like that. And you can put on anything. If you know, a post we find would be best because you're not actually directing, hanging it from a tree and bringing the insects into that particular area in the problem. So we're just going to hang it there, wrap it around this fence post, put it on this little clip here. Japanese beetles prefer ripening fruit and plant exposure to direct sunlight. They're most active between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. when temperatures are typically around 83 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 to 35 degrees Celsius, and humidity falls below 60%. And that is as easy as it is. We'll check on this periodically. If there is no insects, we're in good shape. If there are, they're being lured away from our garden and the plants that they would want to eat. And once they get in the bag, they're done for.